second method, which is indirect monetization. This is a step-by-step tutorial about it. When we are talking about indirect monetization, we are talking about leveraging on Meta AI tools, that is business growth. Meta WhatsApp, Meta AI has helped. So imagine me, instead of taking 5 hours transcribing a video, I just go direct and write, for example, as you can see on the screen, please write for me a very good video description. I want to elaborate more on this, on how you can sell on WhatsApp. What you do, you guys, selling on WhatsApp doesn't mean that you should have products or you should have a shop. No, you can have a product, you can have a shop, but you can go extra mile and also advertise something that you love in, and at least it is easier accessible if a customer or if somebody, a friend or a status viewer has seen your status and has liked it and says, Christine, can I have this, how much it is? So what you do, this is simple way. If you don't have a product and you don't have shop, go and you can leverage in the products that you know they are highly selling in your area. Go direct to your niche, the niche that, when we talk about the niche, we mean something that will sell so fast. That's something that you know people are looking for so much. How will you know it? You will know it from other apps. Even you can go and check, especially like this one, you not go to the app, because the WhatsApp status is seen by the people that you have in your contacts or the people that have you in their contacts. So you have to say something that you know it is around you, that you're it is special to you, and something that you can explain, something that you can tell them about their features and benefits. This is what you can put, whether you have a shop or not. The moment you put it, then someone asks you, how much is it? Okay, can I get it? Only that what I tell you, this one, it means you'll be receiving money direct through your bank or through the methods that are easier for you. So the best practice here and the tip is use engaging visuals, short videos, and comparing captions on your status to grab attention. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you could share a before and after client stories, or promote your meals plans, and even promote the products. Person like Zebra promoted a video which was on selling spare parts in Dubai, car spare parts, and out of that he has gotten a lot of money. He put short clips and even good visuals on his status. Now let's go and see. But you guys, let me tell you, many small business have scaled into $1 million ventures by keeping it simple, starting with their WhatsApp contacts and growing through referrals. The second method, which is indirect monetization. This is a step-by-step tutorial about it. When we are talking about indirect monetization, we are talking about leveraging on Meta AI tools, that is business growth. Meta WhatsApp parent company is rolling out AI tools that businesses are using to indirectly generate income. Whether you like it or not, I want you to check you have it on your WhatsApp status, even on your WhatsApp. Automated customer services, they are there. Companies are integrating WhatsApp chatbots to handle customer inquiries, to handle upselling products. You can see, like for example on your screen, we have for DIB, and we have also for all other big companies. It has also gone to the extent of making upselling of products or even cross sales in 24/7. Imagine earning money even while you sleep. Did you tell me that you're not a business person? Now you don't have any business to send an API message, to set up WhatsApp business API, to send automated customer services. You are an influencer, you are a content creator. Please, I want you to reach near. Well, content creators in particular, I'm going to give myself example. I've made millions of money out of WhatsApp. What do I use on this automated one, indirect one? What I want you to go, I want you to check on your status. I want you to check on your phone, that is WhatsApp. If you have it, hold it, go and look for. I'm looking for it. Go with me, as you can see on the screen. Go and look for Meta AI. Meta AI. This is the app that has made me, it's Meta AI with the Liam 3.2. It has made my work as a content creator very easy. What I do transcript, I do everything as to optimization, let it be thumbnail. Apart from others, Meta AI has helped. So imagine me, instead of taking 5 hours transcribing a video, I just go direct and write, for example, as you can see on the screen, please write for me a very good video description, with high searchable words on how to earn money with WhatsApp. There it is. It comes, it gives a lot of details. So this is to the extent of how WhatsApp is very beneficial and you can monetize it. So what you need to do, you guys, I want, if you're a creator, AI-driven insights can help you target the right audience, improving engagement and conversation rates. You can go there and know what exactly is trending. What do you think is really highly searched today? You can get it from AI Meta. And I think if you're a creator, you have not known this, you should go and check it. And I know it's doing wonders. This one has helped even my channel to improve on its engagement. It has even helped it to make sure that instead of doing 1 video in a day, I can do 3 videos. And that one, I'm doing money. I'm not just talking, I'm doing money. Real life example, you guys, a small income store around my place, when I contacted them, because I always see their automated pictures, their automated ads, I went and asked them. They told me this AI tool has helped them to do a lot of things, because we make even orders from this cafe, imagine. And within a year, they have scaled from earning around $1,000 to monthly $50,000 out of this. Not even the walk-ins. So what you do, I want you to go and head over to your WhatsApp, learn, because I always tell you, everything you see they bring on your gadget is very beneficial. Let's go to the last but least. It's about group monetization. Paid communities and premium content. I brought it last time and most people didn't understand it. Exactly, this is how it works. You offer exclusive content, coaching sessions or premium services in exchange for a monthly fee. If you're in that one. So for example, if you're a financial advisor, you're a cook, you're a fitness trainer, you're an entrepreneur, you can share this knowledge I'm sharing with you. I can share it in a group monetization. So the only thing the model works because it creates a tight-knit, high-value community where members feel free and they are getting direct access to your expertise. What do I encourage you people on a tip here? I encourage you to make sure to provide consistent value to members. Stay subscribed such that they can stay subscribing for a longer time. Someone should not subscribe for this month and fail to subscribe for next month. Even on this direct monetization, you can go ahead. If a person is for example, he approaches you, can make you a group admin. Like now, if you call me to be a group admin on a Making Money Online group, I will do it better because I know what it is. So guys, we can turn our chats into cash, into millions of money. And for you people who think people are coming here, yes, we are coming here. As I'm speaking by them, I'm earning money, and at the same time I'm earning money with my chat. These are proven direct monetization, indirect and group monetization. Guys, if you're still doubting whether it is possible, just remember, people are doing this every day. They are transforming simple chats into life-changing income. When you're there just writing comments, you're writing funny messages to people. What you do, the key is to take action, leverage these strategies, and tap into WhatsApp massive global reach. Are you ready to use WhatsApp? If you're ready, please, I want you to go to the comment section, put there, I'm ready. And if you want any masterclass on this, please don't send me a WhatsApp message. You can reach me on Peace Christine 4@gmail.com. And if you're sending me a message, please go direct and say, I want this service, because the free thing we are giving is just this API, is the second on indirect monetization. This feature allows business to send personalized promotions, product catalogs, and payment links directly to customers, like the way you can see on the screen. This is a direct, should I call it, promotion message that I received, and these people are not even in my contacts. You can also make